Action.
Today we're going to be unwrapping 5 cool surprise eggs from Mario Kart Wii and Kinder Surprise. Here we have a Kinder Surprise egg. Let's see what's inside. This is surprise egg number 1. Very tasty chocolate but won't be wasted. Very good chocolate.
Oh.
I need to get rid of that chocolate off the side. Wow, this is awesome. Here we have a baby seal. Which comes with a seal, an Arctic background with seals. Next up, here we have a Mario Kart surprise. Let's see what's in surprise egg number 2. Here we have a Mario Kart surprise egg. Let's unwrap it and see what we get. Very tricky to unwrap. There, got it. Open it up and see what we get.
Hold it a minute.
Let's open it and take a look. Wow, cool. And here we have Yoshi.
Wow.
All these races come in a plastic bag. And the good thing about it is they are pull back. So, and next up, you add the stickers to make your very own racer. Make sure you better keep your stickers on your car. But if you peel them off, they ain't looking good. Ain't that right?
Yep, it is.
Very cute. Now, let's add the final sticker, which is a white stripe. Very cool.
Definitely.
Good thing it's looking good. It's a pull back and release toy. Next up, here we have another Kinder Surprise egg.
Really?
This is egg number 3.
3.
We're gonna be let's crack into this egg and see what we find. Hatch this egg open. Wow! We've got an orange boulder instead of yellow.
And a bit more tasty chocolate. It will be wasted.
Wow! Here we have Daffy Duck from Looney Tunes.
That is cool.
How cool! We've got a Looney Tunes toy.
You will have a Looney Tunes collection soon.
And
Hello,
inside,
Daffy.
it's Daffy Duck.
Whoa, swinging.
Daffy swinging.
Swinging on a pole.
Next, here we have
On a bar.
the final Kinder Surprise egg. Let's see what's inside. We're going to unwrap it and see. I wonder what's inside. In egg number 5.
5. 3.
Egg
Can I have the chocolate before it ends up melting all over your
4.
fingers?
But in the second Kinder egg, instead of the Kinder...
No, that's not how you do it. Look.
Instead, we've got a yellow boulder.
Yeah, we have got
In the
it.
second Kinder...
Finger.
In the second Kinder egg, our boulder is orange. Wow, this is awesome.
No.
We have a toy. We've got
No
2
idea
yellow
what it is.
boulders and 1 orange boulder.
Looks like something My Little Pony would like to collect.
Yes, that's right. Hopefully hopefully they should be in this surprise egg. Next, here we have egg number 5.
Oh, it's a kaleidoscope.
Now, here we have the final surprise egg. Another Mario Kart. Let's unwrap this egg and see what we get.
Look
here we have
to the light.
a telescope.
No, it's a kaleidoscope.
A kaleidoscope.
It means all this.
Let me take a good close-up look at Brewster.
It's not a magnifying glass. It's supposed to show you different shapes.
I'm big and strong. Slow and steady. All buckled up. I'm ready to run. Honking horns.
Wow. Let's unwrap it and see what we get. Very tricky to unwrap these eggs.
It is rather, yep. Should be a dotted line somewhere if you look along the sticker.
And see a yellow bit, a sticker sheet.
Yeah, but if you look along here, there should be a dotted line, which makes ripping it easy. It's called a perforated line.
No, it's unwrapping.
Well, I'm not talking about unwrapping it. I said if you look
I'm
for the
ready.
dotted, it makes it easy
Unwrapping it and
That's
see. Let's unwrap. Let's crack into this egg and see what we get. I wonder what's inside. This Mario Kart surprise egg.
You just snatched
Sorry. Wow.
another Princess Peach.
No, it's not. Here we have Peach. Very cool surprise egg.
It's not Princess Peach?
Here we have Princess Peach.
Ah,
Now,
there she is, cool.
all we've got to do is to add the stickers. Mario has to make sure that Princess Peach does not get captured.
So the only one you need now,
Is
Baby Mario on a bike.
no,
Oh, it's
Mario,
not. It's not Baby
Mario.
Mario. Sorry, it's just Mario on a bike.
Mario on the bike and Luigi.
Oh, have you not got Luigi?
That's right.
Okay. Pretty good, aren't they?
Awesome. Adding the stickers makes it really easy. But these Yoshi eggs look a lot like Kinder Surprises. With a Kinder Surprise egg with spots. With green spots.
This is a very long video. Is it nearly finished?
Looks like one of the stickers are coming apart.
You just need to push it down. Hold it down for a minute or so.
Alright, yes.
Activates the glue.
There you go. Now, alright girls. Wow, here we have a little secret. Shh. If you're still watching this video, here we have a bonus surprise egg. Let's see what's in egg number 6. Wow, and here we have not 1, but 3 micro drifters.
Yeah.
Here we have number 1, Lightning McQueen, number 3, Sally, and number 2, Maida. Both
Excellent.
from Retro Ready and Springs.
All.
This is all from Retro Ready and Springs. This is all the fantastic things we got today. We have a Daffy Duck toy, 2 Mario pullback and release racers, and a little seal background, a
Kaleidoscope.
kaleidoscope,
And a shed load of chocolate.
2 yellow boulders, some very tasty chocolate, 6 surprise eggs,
That you're not going to eat the chocolate, are you?
orange boulder,
Orange boulder.
2 yellow boulders,
2 yellow boulders.
2 red surprise eggs,
2 red surprise eggs.
and some wrappers,
And some rubbish.
and some flyers, and some little flyers.
And some little flyers. Okay, thanks for joining us.
And they
today.
are from Magic Kinder.
Say
But-
goodbye to the viewers.
And plus 3 micro drifters.
That's right.
Both numbers 1, 2, and 3 from Retro Radio Springs. Alright girls, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave a suggestion.
We'll